Tired of alt-tabbing between OneNote and Excel just to update a table? Embed and edit spreadsheets directly in your notes. In this guide, I will show you 2 ways to insert a spreadsheet, whether it is a new one or one you have already made, and how to edit it without ever leaving OneNote. Alright, let us start with the most common method, inserting a brand new spreadsheet. Click the Insert tab up at the top of OneNote, then look for the Spreadsheet button. Click it and choose New Excel Spreadsheet. Just like that, a blank Excel grid will appear right on your note page, ready for you to fill in. Now, for when you already have a file you want to bring in, go back to the Insert tab, click Spreadsheet, but this time select Existing Excel Spreadsheet. A file browser will pop up. Navigate to your file on your computer, select it, and click Insert. And here is the really important part, the decision point that explains the trade-off. When you insert an existing file, OneNote will ask you how you want to add it. You have 2 options. Attach File creates a simple clickable icon on your page, like an attachment in an email. It saves space, but you cannot see any data on the surface. The other option is Insert Spreadsheet, which embeds a visual copy of your data directly on the page. You can see it right there in your notes. I usually recommend the embedded option because it keeps all your context visible, but the choice is yours depending on your needs. Once your spreadsheet is embedded, you will want to edit it. Go ahead and double-click the embedded table. This will launch your actual Excel desktop application and open that spreadsheet. You will see the Edit button appear in the top left corner of the spreadsheet object as well, but double-clicking is often the fastest way. Now work as you normally would in Excel. Add your data, write your formulas, apply formatting, whatever you need. OneNote and Excel are in sync, so all your changes are happening in the live file. This is where that seamless integration really shines. When you are done making changes, simply click Save in Excel and then close the window. That is it. Your updated spreadsheet will appear back in your OneNote page with all your new data and formulas right where you need them. So there you have it. No more alt-tabbing, no more losing context. You have got a clean workflow that keeps everything in one place. This approach is backed by official Microsoft support and resources like Coursera, so you know it is a solid, reliable way to work. Give it a try in your next meeting or project, and you will wonder why you did not do it sooner. Happy note-taking!